Hi there, and today I'm going to do a quick demo of the Helloscribe. As you can see, this one has only 6 days deal and they offer the unlimited of times. As you can see, their price has been increased a very little bit. It was a $69, but now it's a $79, and they offer 15,000 words generated per month. Or you can get this second version, which is $199, and you can use this one unlimited of words generated per month. So I got this one about months ago, and I'm using this Helloscribe every single day. When you first time log into this Helloscribe, what I do is actually I go to the Brainstorm Plus every single time. How I use is I just copy any of the text and then paste in here and hit generate. What it does is that it organizes and it summarizes. So I got 3 different options: introducing Helloscribe, the AI-powered brainstorming and the content. Don't waste the precious time fighting fires and sending out. Introducing Helloscribe, the ultimate AI marketing partner. You can choose any of these and paste in here again and choose all this paragraph, and you can click to rewrite or shorten. So I use the shorten option and using it as SEO meta description, but this was a little bit longer, so I'm going to just select again and then make it shorten again. Now I can use this for my SEO description. So you can go to the headline genius. Not only this, there are several different options. Add headline, we have article headline, book title, email, Facebook, social media, and so on. I'm going to choose the general headline, and then I'll just copy and paste of the paragraph I just created from Brainstorm Plus and hit generate. Now within a few seconds, we are getting 5 different options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy one of them, and then maybe I want to create a long form. There is first draft writer. I'm going to copy and paste my headline here, or you can add up to 1,000 characters inside of here. The best part is going to the Brainstorm again, and then just copy this whole paragraph, add inside of this box. And then I'm going to generate to create the outlines. Now I have one result or so another result. So we get about 3 different results. I'm going to choose one of them, add to document. The Helloscribe, they said that they're going to create the one click to create the long form, but they don't have it yet. So how you can use this, that you can just highlight them and click continue. So we created one paragraph in a few seconds, and you highlight them and hit continue again. If we highlight these 2 outlines, it combines these 2 outlines and then create one paragraph. Once you're done, you can click this button to save it, copy all, share, and also there's a download button, download PDF file, download doc file. When we go to the social media, there are several different options. The first one is the caption generator. We can see the 5 different options with the hashtags already added. Not only that, when we go to all tools and templates, these are all the tools you can use it. There are so many of them. You have influencer marketing strategy, video treatments, newsletter ideas, viral video ideas, novel, songwriter, storyteller, and so many. Also, they have an option: sales landing page, about us page, create brief, webinar introduction, Twitter bio, write a song. I'm going to just copy this short paragraph, and then I'll be using the Grammarly. I just paste it, and then there is an option we can check. Well, it shows the 100% original. Let's go to the first draft writer, and I'm gonna just copy all this text and paste in here. It needs a little bit of time to loading. 4%. Let's take a look at the reviews. As you can see, there's a little mark, which is that's the verified buyers. Not just me, but the others also love this tool. Oh, there's one, the bad review. It shows the product's good, the assistance much less. Well, yes, I think so. I think the same actually. When you contact the support team, he answers, but it's kind of slow. It takes more than 24 hours sometimes. But they constantly adding new features, that's for sure. But when you contact the support team and asking, it's kind of slow. I agree with that. Oh, the Helloscribe replied it. So I guess they're watching the reviews. Well, that's a good thing. But other reviews, they're really good. Overall, they have really good reviews. This is one of my websites, and I'm using this AI tool, the Helloscribe AI tool, to create the one simple paragraph so I can save my time and do focusing the other stuff. So if you want to create a website and writing really faster, especially summarizing something or making sales pages, Helloscribe will be best friend for your business. Hopefully my video understands about the Helloscribe. HELLOWSCRIBE, please subscribe to my channel so you can watch the other awesome deals and my honest review.